Aluminium is a lightweight metal with only 1/3 the density of steel, making it ideal for various applications. With a purity of 99.5%, aluminium offers good qualities, such as electrical conductivity, ductility, and excellent corrosion resistance due to its natural oxide layer. Historically, aluminium was first used in domestic utensils and electrical conduction due to its manageable strength and durability. In 1888, the first alloy designation for commercially pure aluminium was developed, marking the beginning of a new industry in wrought and casting alloys. Today, a wide array of commercially available alloys exists, each identified by a 4-digit number that denotes its specific qualities and temper. Wrought aluminium is classified into various series based on purity and alloying elements, including 1xx, 2xxx, 3xx, and so forth, each suited for different applications. Work hardening and heat-treatable alloys increase strength and durability, which are essential for structural applications, particularly in aircraft manufacture. Wrought alloys are processed through techniques such as rolling, extrusion, and forging, offering diverse properties tailored for specific needs. For example, alloys 2014 and 7075 are virtually unweldable, as are most copper-containing alloys. 6082 is weldable, hence its usefulness in many commercial applications. The limits on the solution of alloy constituents are set by the speed of solidification possible with conventionally manufactured aluminium alloy ingots.